I hope that umbrella's protecting you from that freezing cold rain. Is that the god of rain over there? I think it is. I think it is. He controls the clouds. And look at Nixie taking shelter. Okay. A really big rain, a really big storm's coming. Really big storm's coming. Everybody get ready. Batten down the hatches. Really big storm is coming. Too much? Upside up.
Oh, yeah. Upside down.
Is that better?
Yeah. Turn it upside down, Dad.
Oh, that immoderate weather, I tell you.
It's a rain.
It is.
Spider rain.
Spider rain. Oh, that was a wild storm. I think we're in the teeth of inclement weather. Oh, the storm is over. It's a whole new day. Kind of missed the storm?
Yeah.
Okay. I tell you, Josh, it's a thrill a minute over here. This is some luxury vacationing at its finest. Spider rain. Okay. Pretty soon we'll be able to take pictures of Mariah. We've got to get, her in the videos. Okay, over in our Barclays Flagmore, today is August 22nd. Yeah. Monday, August 22nd, 2011. Nix, how old are you, Nix? How old are you? Oh, well, she's 4 4/4. She's so... How old? Yeah. Okay.